In a world full of forgotten dreams and abandoned machines, this story is about three guys who were given access to millions of car parts and a full studio where literally anything is possible. This is how they brought an abandoned project car back to life.
Behind these gates is my abandoned dream project car.
Man, I'm freezing. Can you open the gate? Why do we always choose winter to do this?
This car has been sitting outside for quite some time. Question is, will we be able to get it out and bring it back to our shop? This is a snow pile, but underneath it is a project car. Can you guess what it is? Put it in the comments.
We got ourselves a Lamborghini, baby. So we are gonna clean the car up and head to the garage and see if it even starts. It's under a lot of snow, as you can see. The winter is wintering, and the best part is it has summer tires, which is perfect for the winter season. Yeah, we're gonna struggle to get it on the lift.
We have a bit of an issue. Yep. Well, no. We're trying to unfreeze it. It seems like it's frozen. Not the lock, but the door. Kind of makes sense. It's quite cold outside. Got a little bit moldy, but that's fine. That's fine. It's abandoned.
Bro, it's nasty. No. What do you mean it's fine?
We have one big problem. The car is really, really low, and we don't know how we're gonna get it on the rescue car.
Before attempting to get it on the tow truck, we cleaned off the snow and prepared it. It is indeed a really low car, and it is going to be a challenge. Well, we've cleaned off the snow, and now you can pretty much tell what car it is.
Let's see if we can get the car up.
Go, 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 go!
I think we need to have it on the street, out.
But it's not gonna be possible. The car is too low.
I mean, look at these arms, man. I was built for this.
Those are guns.
I was built for this.
It's really cold, like -25. Oh, damn. So basically the idea is that we hook it from underneath the car. Okay, this looks promising. Oh no, he's stuck. Yep. Okay, it's good.
We're hooking up the car on the winch so we can pull it up onto the platform and get it out of here. If you still haven't guessed, this is a third generation Honda Prelude. Front wheel drive, 2-liter fuel injected engine, and it is famous for its handling and pop-up headlights. It was built in Japan in 1991 and quickly became a global hit.
And we have arrived. Well, let's unload this thing and see if anything interesting happens. You know what's another problem? This thing is heavy. Oh, never mind. Emil's just in it. The railing is quite low, and I don't know how you even got over it, but
It might get caught on it when we try to get it down, so
yeah.
So is the bumper good now?
should be good.
Looks good.
Okay, the car is here. We got it right now. Looks pretty bad, I will say. It's a little bit frozen, so let's let it unfreeze and let the snow melt, and then we'll get back to it.
Can't wait to detail this car. It looks awful.
And I can't wait to fire it up to hear how it sounds and to even see if it's running, because it's been out for so long. So let's see.
Can we talk about the gearbox knob? Like, Emil, what is that?
So nice. It feels so good getting it clean, and well, it's still not clean. There's a lot of debris on the car right now, but we'll try to get most of it off. Then we'll use some pre-wash and some other products to get it real nice.
I'm gonna make a foam gun. It works! It works! No.
The car has had a quick wash. Now, job delegation. Victor, He's in charge of the interior, making sure it's clean and smells good. Philip. He's in charge of the engine bay. First, a cleanup. Second, starting the car.
So meanwhile, Phillips is cleaning the engine bay, and my job is to take care of the interior. It smells, it's dirty, and it definitely needs some wash. I'm gonna take out the mats and then the seats and just clean everything up so it's nice and pleasing to sit in. So seat removal is easy. There's just 4 screws you need to unscrew and they're out. One out, one more to go. What even is this? Emil, is it from Honda? Look at this spider. What color do you think the interior should be?
I have one specific color in my mind.
Purple?
Purple.
Yeah,
this is idea. Bam, you see over here, ChatGPT at the finest.
My back hurts from how low this car is. All these trim clips and your car is still not running.
There's not enough of them there.
And just like that, the back seat comes out. So I have taken out the seats, and as you can see, they are in a pretty bad condition. Like look at all the leather just peeling off. We need to take care of that.
The engine is washed and clean, so it's important to let it dry, probably overnight, before we try to start. Today is the day we're gonna start this car, but we don't know what works and what doesn't. Before we attempt to crank this thing, we need to check the oil level. Before we check it, we need to clean it and put it back. And what we see over here, it's almost to the minimum. But that's okay. We're gonna fill it up and change the oil later. For cranking the car, it's gonna be more than enough. And the most important thing to start the car is the battery. And we need to make sure it is connected. And we start with the positive and then negative. Oh, we have a spark. That's good, that's good. That means the battery has some juice. To start the car, we need the good, fresh air. This doesn't look so good. Some kind of DIY project, I don't know who did this, but I'm gonna take it out. Simple as that. And we have a new one. That's why we don't need it anymore. We can see the radio is on, that means the battery is good. So let's start the car. Before we start, make sure the car is in neutral because we don't wanna go in the wall. This is the first position. We have lights, that's good, that's good. And let's start it in 3, 2, 1. Interesting, there's a click sound, but no cranking. That means 2 things. Either battery voltage is low or we have a bad starter.
The engine's not working, but we have music. Let's go!
The good thing, we have special tool for that. This is like a little booster.
What do you mean?
Like before, positive goes to positive, negative to negative. We're 100% sure now that the problem is with the starter, but for the educational purpose, we're gonna just check a fuse. Yep, they're good.
Looks good to me.
The starter seems like it's dead. But let's take it out and we can test it and see if it actually is not working properly or maybe there's another issue.
We're gonna put the camera inside in this hole to see what's the problem. Yes, okay, we can see the starter solenoid is out. That's weird. It's stuck on the flywheel. The idea is we're gonna grab a screwdriver, push it back in, and hope for the best. Yeah, it's stuck. We managed to put it, the solenoid back, so the next thing to try is start it again. What is the problem, man? We just need to take it out, the starter, and there's no shortcuts for that. To take out the starter, I need to unscrew 2 screws. And before I do that, I need to unplug the battery. Let's try this one. There you go. 1 screw done, 1 more to go. But maybe I can push it down and take out from the bottom of the car. Yeah, you see over here, we broke it. So we need a new one. To remove the solenoid, you need to unscrew these 3 Phillips screws, and then it's gonna come out. So we took out the solenoid. Now we need to find the part number or the new one and put everything back together. The new car just came. The good thing, this new one has the metal topping. This one has plastic. So you can know the part is good or bad. You see, on the good part, there's written okay. Should, but oh yeah, now it's
There
good.
we go.
Important to clean all the unnecessary rust from the contact, so there's no problem with that. So what do you say? It looks like brand new to me. Yeah, I can't wait to test it out right now. So what are we waiting for? Let's go. Before I put the starter back, I want to test it. The positive wire we're gonna put here in the back, where the solenoid is connected, and the negative wire I'm gonna put to the frame. And 3, 2, 1. Okay, it works. Oh shoot. Everything works separately, but how it's gonna work when you're gonna put it in the car, we'll see. Battery is connected, oil level is good, starter should work.
All right, let's fire it up. Will the Honda work?
3, 2, 1.
Easy.
Philip did a great job. Changed the solenoid, and now the car starts on a dime. So I'm thinking next should be the interior, right?
What about oil change?
It's okay, you just go into modding. You just go into tuning. You just change the color of the wheels and like.
What about brake discs, brake pads, and that kind of thing?
Maintenance is secondary. It doesn't matter. You should not care about.
Yeah, do
Okay,
not-
no. In the next episode, we're gonna change oil, gonna see what's happening with the brakes.
Nah, maintenance is not secondary. You don't need that.
See you next time.